Hey there, it's Jen, and I am here to show you, Pinkfresh Studio recently had like a warehouse box sale thingy where you didn't know what you were getting in the box, but it was like 30 bucks, and so I wanted to show you what I got, and it is a lot of stuff, so I'm excited to show you. I just opened it and looked myself, I couldn't help it. But I'll show you the papers first. There is a big old stack of papers, look at that. There's a whole bunch. So I'm going to go through them one at a time and just show you here. So from the Oh Joy collection, this paper is called Under the Tree. I don't use Christmas papers all that often, but they're cute. I don't know that I'll keep these. This one is called Merry and Bright. They're nice, like little leafy pattern kind of with a little red bow at the bottom. This paper I love because you don't have to use it for Christmas. This one's from December Days, and it's got this really nice, I remember seeing this in some kits. It's got like a nice red dot. It's like an orangey red with some blue, and then this side is nice bright blue. This is called Pines, but I love this side. I'm going to put it on the side that I prefer on each paper. This one is from the Oh Joy collection, and it's called Advent Love. So this side is really cute if you wanted to do an Advent. But this side is awesome because it is just kind of like a beige dot, and I can use this for anything. Pinkfresh Studio has really nice, sturdy cardstock paper too. This one is also from the Oh Joy collection, and it's called Joyful Christmas. This is one that this side I prefer, but again, I don't know that I'll keep that. So some of these things might be going in my pile of stuff that I put in kits later or that I give away. So we'll see. This one is called 'Tis the Season. Very, very cute. I really like this side. It kind of looks like a sweater. So I'll definitely keep that. This one is called Winter Wonderland. This is the most adorable thing. I love this. I think you could just cut out the houses and use them for anything. But this backside is stars, so that's definitely versatile. This one also from Oh Joy says Merry Christmas with some green splatter. And then this side is kind of like there's some mistletoe, or I don't know if that's mistletoe. Anyway, I like this side better. And then this one is called Jingle Bells, and the back side of it has this kind of like, it's blue with trees on it. And that's not my favorite, but you know, it's okay. So these ones are all the Christmas ones, and I think they're really cute, and I think I'll probably keep about half of them. So I think that's probably a good deal. I want to count how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's 9. Okay, and then we have some from Dream On, which I do have some parts of this collection that I bought myself, and so I think this is really cute. I love both sides of this. This one is called Marvel. I just love this. I think it's just super, super cute. And then this is just kind of a fun, funky little pattern. This is one of the papers that I absolutely loved. I remember seeing it in kits and wishing I had it. This one's called Delight. And I love both sides of this paper, but I love this side more. This one is fun. I love this. It's kind of just like random little pieces, like a little grid of random little bits, and it's called Fancy. And then the back is bow ties, so that kind of fits with the Fancy, but I really like the front side. And then this one is also from Dream On. It's called Daydream. Love this with the different arrows and the dots. And then the back has got this kind of like little marking pattern. I don't know, but I like this side. Okay, then I have some from Boys Fort, which I don't have boys and I tend to have a girly style, but some of these are really cool. So this one is called Wowzers, and I love this pattern. It's just like a simple, I could definitely use this as a background, I think. And then this side is not my favorite, but it's okay. So I like that side definitely. This one is called Bold, so that's just an alphabet on this side, and then kind of like a geometric pattern on this side. It kind of looks like a nuts and bolts, you know, like nuts. And I definitely like this side better. This is one that I actually bought myself because I love this Best Friend, You and Me. Like, I love the words here. And I don't love this side just because that's not a color that I use very often. P.S. My nails are really chipped, so don't pay attention to that. Now you will because I just said that. So I'll probably get rid of this because I already have it. This one is called Wisdom. And this is okay. It's not my absolute favorite, but it's okay. This one is really cool. I love this one. So this one's called Game On, and I love all of the different words here. You could cut those out and use them on a bunch of different projects, or this would be fun in layers, I think, too. The back is cool, too. It's got this kind of hand-drawn triangle pattern, so love both sides of that. This one is called High Five, and this is just kind of a cool distressed pattern, and then the back has got these squares. I definitely prefer this side. So you can see all the sides I prefer are all the gray sides. That's just more my liking. This one is called Thumbs Up, and this is a really cool, interesting looking pattern, and then the back has these nice triangles. So I really actually like both sides of that one. So that's these two collections. Again, I'll probably keep, well, I'll keep probably all but a couple of these. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So far we're up to 21 papers, and there's a good variety of different kinds in here. So we've got the boys collection, we've got Christmas, we've got this kind of collection that's a little bit more brightly colored. And now we're going to get into a little bit of floral with the Indigo Hills collection, which I did buy a few of the pieces from this collection on my own as well too. I have the die cuts, I think, and a few papers. So, but that was when this collection came out. So this side kind of like has the little florals at the bottom with some pink colors, and then this is just a little bouquet, and I love the colors that are in this bouquet. I love that, so that's cute. This one is called Knoll, like grassy knoll. These look like little hills, kind of. This would be a really easy paper to use as a background because it's already kind of determining for you where your elements can go. The back would be nice as a background too, just kind of, it's just florals, but they're done just in black and gray with some splatters of yellow and blue. I like both sides of that one. This is one I actually purchased on my own, so I have this in my stash. This one's called Dover, and I like both sides of it, so I'm going to keep it probably. But if I don't keep it, then, you know, it'll go to someone good. This is another one that I purchased on my own as well. This one's called Palisades, and I will probably get rid of this one. I just don't think I need to, but it's really cute. This one is called Hillside. It's just this really pretty. I could see myself cutting out these blue florals here. The back side would be a really cool background, so I really like both sides of this one as well. Indigo Hills was a collection that I really loved. Okay, this one is called Blue Valley. Now this is a gorgeous bright blue. I love that. But this is just, I just love this. It's just very simple watercolor. It would be nice for background again. So that's all of the Indigo Hills. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'll probably get rid of 1 or 2 of those. So we're up to 27 papers, and there's more to go. So this is from the Escape the Ordinary collection. Again, I bought a few pieces of this collection, but not this one. So this one's really cute. I love this side especially. That's just my color. And then we've got some from the Live More collection. This is one that I have in my stash already, but I like both sides, so I think I'll hold on to it. This one is called Focus. I'm not telling you the names of all of them. I'm sorry. If you have questions, just let me know, and I'll answer in the video comment section. This one's called Focus, and this is a really cool pattern. I like both sides of it. This one's kind of fun, and this would be great for a background, or you could cut pieces from it to use on a layout. This is also from Live More. This is called Rise, and this is a bunch of like uplifting phrases and quotes, which I love this. I think this is really super cute. The back is just a nice pink pattern, but this side is the side that I like. And then also from Live More, this is a paper that I thought was fun when I saw different people using it. It's great for a background as well because tells you exactly where to put your stuff, right in the center. And then the back is a really usable grid, so if I didn't want to use that. And then we have a couple of vellum sheets. So how much did I say we were up to? 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32 papers, okay? And then we have some vellum sheets as well. So we have this one from Live More, which I love. It's got kind of a rose gold and then an aqua triangle. So cute. This one's from Dream On. Very cute. Love that. And that's in a rose gold too. And then this one from Indigo Hills is gold floral. So I love all three of these. I think they're way cute. So total we have 35 papers if you include the vellum papers. So that's a lot. That's enough to pay for the entire kit itself just with the papers. But we also have these chipboard alpha stickers from December Days, and I actually already have these, so I'll probably put these in my pile of stuff. I have some giveaways I'm doing coming up, so that'll probably go in there. We also got these puffy stickers from the Boys Fort collection. I think these are super cute. I do have nephews that I have lots of pictures of, so I'm trying to decide if I want to use these or if I want to pass these on because I'm torn. I love puffy stickers. I love this Rad and Awesome. There's a lot of things on here that I could definitely use, so I'm thinking about that one. This one, I think this was exclusive to the grab bag box or whatever. And so it's not from a collection, but it has nice pretty colors and they remind me of one of the Paige Evans collections. I'm trying to remember. I think it's Turn the Page. They have the similar colors to that. And so these are just kind of like everyday kinds of phrases. So these are nice. I will definitely be keeping those. So that's 2 puffy stickers and an alphabet. We also got these leatherette, well, everyone's is probably a little different. I got these leatherette shape stickers, which I absolutely love. These are really cool, and they have that leather texture to them. I don't know if there you can see right there the texture of that leather, and they are really, really cute. So this was, I love this Dream On collection. The colors in it are just bright and fun, and so I'm excited about that. We also got these chipboard foiled stickers from Live More, which these are really cute, and they have that kind of rose gold foil, and they're really thin, which I love actually. This chipboard is not thick at all. We also got these foiled wood grain stickers from December Days. This might be something I pass on. I just don't feel like I need Christmassy kind of stuff, but it's cute. This I'm definitely keeping. These are screen printed word stickers from Boys Fort. Wood stickers, not word stickers. Well, they are words, but I think these are really cute. And actually, if I like a lot of these that are the same thing as these, then I might just, like, because I like the Cheers and the Rad and Awesome, and it's on both of these, so I might just end up keeping the wood, but we'll see. And then there's also these fabric pennants from the Boys Fort collection. I'm actually going to open these because you can't see them all unless you do, and I want to see them, so we're going to open them. So they are definitely fabric-y. They have kind of like a, I don't know, jeans texture almost. So hello, awesome, always, the best, someday, awesome. So there's awesome in a couple different colors. Friend, you and me, that's cute. Hello, friend. So looks like there's 2 of each kind of phrase, but they're in different colors. Today, there's a different today, and always. So those are really cute. Definitely hanging on to those. Okay, and then we got this. These are mini alphabet stickers from Boys Fort, and so it's just a very simple alphabet. It comes in 3 colors, so there's kind of a tan color, a blue, and a green. So love those, especially the blue. This is a color that I kind of search for, and Pinkfresh has several collections with it in it. These are the Live More paper clips. Can I just say these are very heavy? So I don't know about these, but I could see myself peeling off the epoxy parts of these and using them, and then I don't know what I'd do with the clips, but they're just very heavy. So if you are a planner person, you might be able to use these in your planner, I don't know, but they're very, very heavy. So just gonna say that. We also got these tassel bows, which I think are just adorable. And they are like made of yarn, and there are 8 of them. And they're from the mix number 2. I don't know what that means, but okay, cool. We got these Dream On rubber pieces, and they don't have a picture on the back, so I wanted to open them. Again, this collection is one of my favorites. I have some puffy stickers from this collection, as well as some papers that I bought on my own before, and because I just loved it so much. So I love the blue. XOXO. There's these cute little, look at that rainbow. That's so cute. And there's a spanner, a little house with a heart coming out of the chimney, a camera, that is adorable, a star, XOXO, a little flower, and then some leaves. Those are really adorable. I love these. Okay, and then we got some ephemera, which is, I believe, exclusive to this as well. And again, this matches one of the Paige Evans collections pretty well, but I'll just give you a look on the back here. Sorry, I'm trying to make it focus. It's not exactly focused, but you can kind of see the kinds of elements that are in here. Some of these are really cute. Some of them I can not really see using, but what I've been doing lately, I have a sticker book. I'll share it sometime on YouTube, just that I've been loving playing in, and I have some die cuts set aside to go in that book too that I just don't know that I'll use, and it's been the funnest thing ever, so I'll have to show that to you. And then I also got this party animal stamp set, which is the cutest thing ever. I've been really wanting to make some cards lately, so this will be super fun for that. I love that there's a zebra because my daughter is obsessed with zebras, and I love that there's a bear because that's kind of my spirit animal. And it's just really cute. So there's a bunch of different party animals and some different phrases, and I just really, really love this stamp set. There is also a couple more things here. I got these enamel dots, and they're gold and silver glitter, but if you look in the silver one, they have like, some of the glitter inside the silver ones are iridescent, so they have kind of a rainbowish quality to them, which is cool. I also got this, I'm guessing this is from Indigo Hills, but I'm not exactly sure, but it's like this bright blue glitter tape. It's kind of crazy, but I'm going to see if I can use it. And then last but not least, I got this washi tape, which is from Indigo Hills, and I wanted to open it. It has the days of the week on it, and it's got like paint splotches and stuff in the background, and I just think it's really, really pretty. So I'll show that to you really quick. Maybe. Oh yeah, that is so cute. Cool, I'm so excited. So even though I'm not going to keep everything in here, when I totaled it up, like there was, I mean, like I mentioned, there's 35 sheets of paper. Usually paper is $1 a piece. So right there, it's paid for. Plus I have all of this stuff too. So I think it was a really good value. If there's still some available, I definitely suggest checking it out. I'll leave a link if there is in the video description. But thanks so much for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed, and I would love to see what you got in your box if you're sharing it on YouTube. Leave a link in the video comments so that we can all check out what you got in your box. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you again very soon.